How to switch business account to private account on Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now all you basically want to do is simply click on the bottom right and then go to your settings by clicking on the top right and then here opening the settings. Now for some people their settings might have changed up again, like Instagram always randomly just switches things up. But if it still looks like this, like I have, then you want to click on account right over here. And then at the bottom, you can see switch account type. So if I click on there, I can now switch back to personal or even creator if I would like to. So yeah, that is basically it actually. But let's say your whole settings have changed, like I just said. Then there should be a business tab called like business tools for professionals, I believe. And if you were to click on there, so let's say this business tab over here is that tab. It is not, but let's say. Then it would actually look something very similar to this, I believe. But you also just want to scroll down. And then at the bottom, you should also see something like switch account to a personal account or whatever. Something like that. And a personal account is a private account. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did. And then I will see you next time. Have a good day.